So here we are again, another day of painting. And today is the follow-up of the one I did the other day with, I was wanting to do a Dutch pour, but I wanted to see what the color's like first and to find out what I need to do to try to make it successful. So this is a little small one I'm doing today because I'm still not sure my success ratio. It's 11 by 14. And I'm using the same colors, except I'm not going to use black. I'm going to substitute that with a little bit of copper. And the paints are a little thicker than I'm used to using. So once again, I'm trying something different and new. And someday I'll get it down to where nothing will be interesting and new. It'll all be things that I've done before a million times. So with that said, let's try. I'm gonna do a circle, not a straight line. Oh yes, I know this is crazy talk, but you know, I don't care anymore. The colors are still yummy. I will have to say that they're very yummy colors. Yeah, that's a pretty one too. Next is another pretty one. This is kind of almost like what do they call, honeydew melon color? Yeah, it is. Ooh, I think I saw a chunk there. And maybe I'll put a little bit of, I'm going to try something different. Just put this around the outside. Oh my God, this is getting to be a huge bullseye. I better hurry up and quit jabbering. Okay, here we go. Oh my God, what a mess. Okay, and here is yellow. Okay, I can tell you right now, I'm going to need to blow this over. Hi, Chihuahua. Let's get some white here. Hi, Chihuahua. What have I done? Okay, here we go. He who hesitates is lost. Ready? Ready, ready. Oh, I can see that is a huge goober. That is like a pond. Oh well, this may not turn out exactly what I thought, but we're going to have fun blowing it out. Ready? Shazam! Shazam! Nope. Okay, I'm here to tell you right now that sucks. Not just sucks a little bit, but it sucks a lot. So, let's do magic trick. Ready? Well, I'll give it a second. Think it's good? No, it's not good. Here we go. Oh my gosh. I'm going to get this to work. I'm going to get this to work. So, oh look, it never happened. Okay, I'm going to have to, let's put some more white down and start over again. So I will turn this off and I will be back as soon as I put some more white down. Stand by. Well, that didn't take long. I sure am glad this was a small canvas. And we're going to try, I'm going to do a straight line this time. It seems like maybe the colors were still a little too thin and they puddled up. So let's just try a straight line. Oh yeah. Touch of copper. Okay, and the last color is tangerine. slobber that goober over. And I'm going to do a little more yellow because I like yellow. The person I'm doing this for wanted something called butter yellow. Well, she's going to get it. Okay. If this doesn't work, then I'm going to go back to the basics, which is finger painting. Here we go. I think I'll stop while I'm ahead. Okay, get out the butane bubble eliminator, and I do believe that's what the lady wanted. Soft colors, a lot of white, a lot of light, a lot of softness, and yeah, that was better than the first one, wasn't it? Let me get some of this. Oh man, I got a puddle going over here. I could stock, there's so much, it looks like a lake. I could stock it with fish and go fishing. Good Lord, that's a lot. Well, that's what happens when you scrape it, right? You bet. Okay, I may do a little touch up with, yeah, me and my trusty straw, or maybe I'll just leave it alone for a change and let it percolate. As they say with a fine wine, let it breathe. So there you have it. If I do anything different, I will come back and show it to you. Otherwise, we're going to call this a scrape and pour. And you got to see it. So hope you enjoyed it. The colors are light and airy. And I think we'll keep this one. So this is Richard B. saying thanks for watching again, and we'll see you next time.